Hey guys, I'm Jesse, and I want to tell you a little bit about our Situational Judgment workshop that's part of our complete Situational Judgment course. What it is, what it contains, and how it can help you and equip you on your way to passing this exam. The first item on the list is a presentation on speaking and writing for the exam. Now, this is unique to our course. We recognize that a common key weakness in candidates was English language proficiency. Now, every candidate will have different abilities, and you don't have to speak flawless English in order to pass the exam. But nonetheless, there are minimum standards for speaking and writing abilities that you'll need in order to maximize your chances at success. The idea behind it is to equip you with some knowledge and ideas that'll help you to appear more competent and professional while accepting that you have your hands full with lots of other material to learn and to practice. We'll cover common dental jargon, how to avoid it, and some alternative. We'll discuss professional consultation letters to dental and medical specialists, go over the important concepts, essential components, and offer helpful template options. We'll go over counseling on a number of topics, such as smoking cessation and oral hygiene, provide some do's and don'ts, and give detailed examples you can follow. We'll touch on history taking and how to take thorough, structured histories, as well as adapt those history-taking strategies to various question types. And finally, we'll discuss how you can adapt your language skills, whatever level you find yourself at, to maximize success in challenging situations. Looking forward to seeing you there.